Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple, a popular platform for Canadians, and recently, Brits, to jumpstart their investing journey. We've all seen the sleek app, the catchy commercials, but is Wealthsimple truly the investing utopia it seems? Let's face it, blindly trusting any financial platform is a recipe for disaster. So, before you pour your hard-earned money in, let's get real about some potential downsides of Wealthsimple. Fees can nibble at your returns. We all love a good deal, and Wealthsimple boasts zero commission trades. That sounds fantastic, right? But hold on a second. Wealthsimple does charge a management fee, a percentage of your invested assets. It might seem like a small chunk of change, but over time, those fees can add up and eat into your returns. Now, the exact fee depends on your account balance. Generally, it falls between 0.4% and 0.5%, which is pretty standard for robo-advisors like Wealthsimple. However, some competitors offer even lower fees, sometimes dipping as low as 0.25%. So, if you're a fee-conscious investor with a sizable portfolio, this could be a deciding factor. Limited investment options. Wealthsimple keeps things simple, which is great for beginners. But for seasoned investors who crave more control, the platform's selection might feel restrictive. You'll have access to a decent range of stocks and ETFs, but that's about it. No bonds, no international equities, no precious metals, the list goes on. While this streamlined approach works for some, if you have a specific investment strategy in mind, Wealthsimple might not be flexible enough. You might find yourself wanting to explore alternative asset classes or delve deeper into specific sectors, and Wealthsimple just won't offer that level of granularity. Robo-advisor on autopilot, but are you in control? Wealthsimple's robo-advisor service is its bread and butter. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and the algorithm builds a personalized portfolio. It's convenient, sure, but it also means relinquishing some control. The robo-advisor might not always align perfectly with your investment philosophy. Maybe you have a strong belief in a particular sector the algorithm doesn't consider. Perhaps you have a specific stock you're passionate about that doesn't fit the mold. With Wealthsimple, you can't simply override the algorithm's decisions and inject your own preferences. Not built for active trading. Wealthsimple is designed for the long game, the set-it-and-forget-it approach. If you're an active trader who enjoys the thrill of the market and making frequent adjustments, Wealthsimple might leave you feeling frustrated. The platform lacks advanced charting tools, technical analysis features, and other resources active traders rely on. Think of it like this: Wealthsimple is a cozy retirement cabin in the woods, perfect for unwinding and enjoying the scenery. But if you're an adrenaline junkie who craves the hustle and bustle of Wall Street, you might be better off with a high-powered trading platform. Limited customer support. Let's face it, even the savviest investors have questions. And when those questions arise, you want reliable customer support to guide you. While Wealthsimple offers support options, some users report long wait times and a lack of in-depth financial expertise from some representatives. This can be a major concern, especially for new investors who might need more hand-holding and personalized advice. If the idea of waiting on hold or dealing with a less-than-stellar support team stresses you out, Wealthsimple might not be the most comforting option. Is Wealthsimple a deal-breaker? Not necessarily. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, let's pump the brakes for a second. These are just some potential downsides to consider. Wealthsimple does offer a wealth, pun intended, of benefits, especially for beginner investors. The platform's user-friendly interface, low minimum investment requirements, and automated investing features make it an attractive option for those just starting their investing journey. Ultimately, the decision of whether Wealthsimple is right for you depends on your individual needs and financial goals. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to explore other platforms. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in the investing world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.